Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit, and if you're living in Melbourne and you're looking for a position as a gardener in maintenance for a high-end residential company, then keep watching this video. This one could be for you. We picked up a client down in Melbourne and they're looking for somebody who has a number of years experience working in the horticulture field, and they mainly specialise in the maintenance of high-end residential properties. They do also do some construction and design, but in this instance they're looking for a maintenance staff member. So we are looking for somebody who has spent at least 3 years working within the industry and may even be able to step into a head gardener role. But if you don't have quite that experience, then we may have another position going where they're looking for somebody who can work under their head gardener. So this is a permanent full-time position that we have going with this particular company, and everything is provided for you to be able to do your job. Now, they are based in Melbourne, and the majority of their work is coming from the inner suburbs of Melbourne. So if you're interested, or you can think of somebody who may be interested in this particular role, then please feel free to share this video, and there will be a link in the description below that will describe how you can apply. As I say, this is a permanent full-time position, and they are looking for somebody for an immediate start. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so that as future positions become available through our agency, you can get notified straight away. It's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.